Hey guys, welcome to Rohit FP. Well, I hope you like the day 1 vlog, and yes, this is the day 2. Well, there are some comments about the video that, not about the video, but about the event, that the event was like a newbie style event or something like that. The organization was left out. Yes, obviously you can expect that such type of event because it was the first drone race in India, and yes, I appreciate Karan and all the whole team of IIT and who worked for it. Well, they have worked very hard to like execute the event. Yeah, and guys, I have seen that there are many of the viewers who like to get notification and all stuff. They ask me how do I get notification. Well, guys, there is a subscribe button down there. Just put that press that red button and you may subscribe to my channel, and like you may get updates on such RC stuff and all reviews of the products which I do. So guys, day 2, second day, and we are here again. Hopefully we get the track to practice. We don't know who all are there now. I see some people arranging stuff, so I can't say anything.
Disarmed. Engines armed.
पूरा ट्यून करना पड़ेगा हमें, काफ़ी ट्यून करना पड़ेगा.
Hey, good morning everyone. We are on the field, and yeah, we had a test flight. Shabir is trying his own and he has to do PIDs. Well, I fucked my cord. I was trying this new like rates and stuff, and yeah, I broke this motor off. Now I will have to wait and go to the pit and do everything on this copter. He is now taking off. So guys, yeah, we are here.
रोहित वीडियो फीड में आ रहा है.
Gulzar is trying to go up on that up there, and he will be just driving it. I'll show you a DVR footage. It's there. अभी भी नहीं आया?
नहीं, एक बार बंद करके वापस में. That blue light is solid.
ये थोड़ा भी यार तो ऑलमोस्ट साफ है.
हाँ.
जब वो उड़ेगा लिखिए वो ऐसे हिलेगा वो.
Just स्टेबल रखना उसको, क्योंकि फेल करते समय ऐसा.
What do you say?
ठीक है. How are you using the plan?
So the plan is to keep it like this. कैसे करेंगे? ऐसे.
हाँ, सीधा अंदर से ये डाल दो.
अरे वो लिखो रहेगा कैसे?
हाँ, सेंटर में बांध दो ना.
We need some stick.
No stick. We don't need a stick. Just put something like a thread like that through, और नीचे पत्थर बांध दो, या तो पत्थर को कागज में अच्छा सा
हाँ, वैसे भी
सुंदर.
समझ जाओ.
That is best, because then you will not lose the stability of the quad when you're flying. कोई भी stiff कुछ कर दोगे ना, उसके ऊपर flag डाल दोगे, you lose the stability. इधर उधर जाएगा. This one will float by itself. It will be like a payload, standard payload at the center. Center में डालो, एक thread डाल दो, और नीचे पत्थर डाल दो. That is the standard way we fly on aircraft and everything. So it should brilliantly work on a quad. And it is not tilting it like 60 degrees or something, right?
चलो let's try that.
30 degrees.
रुक.
अरे अपने पास सेल भी है बहुत सारे.
हाँ, ये चल रहा है तब तक. हाँ.
Check 1 2. Hello. Check.
Hello.
ये फ्लक्चुएशन नहीं हो रहा सिग्नल्स में पर अभी देखो
नहीं वो
So that's just the OFD summary. Take arm and it will go away.
हाँ, कोई बात नहीं. It's not that much.
Not enough upstairs for that.
It's 10 in the morning and they are setting up the track. I haven't had my breakfast yet, so going to grab something. Me and Shabir.
सर का फोन आया था कल.
So guys, we are here on the field and now these people are designing the track. Pravesh,
People,
practice
most
with
of the
weight.
people, they have not gone big gate once also in their life. So it's better to have a big gate.
So there are good chances you
talking
can
about
win.
me. He's talking about me.
Hey,
Really, there are good chances you can win.
whole Bangalore will come first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth,
Yeah,
seventh.
yeah, that's what.
We actually don't care.
I'm in Bangalore, right?
That's why we got team
Shifting.
uniform also.
Shifting to Bangalore.
तो वतन बदल दिया रोहित.
I'm shifting to Bangalore now.
For this event.
I'm shifting to Bangalore, guys. After Karan seems to be tired. He's working since the morning, and now, what do you wanna say? Why did we change the track?
We changed the track because we are very last minute intelligent people, I think. And so far it's come really well in the short time. So let's begin the races.
Okay.
Yeah.
Right side.
वो वायर का कलर उसने इंटरचेंज किया बट वो चलता है.
तो इसमें पॉजिटिव कौन सा है?
He has something to say, like what's going on over here and why are we late?
Organization. I think the track should have been made, and consult the pros when you're making the track. It's simple, basic stuff. The math stuff is wrong on the track. It can be made easier, far faster.
Okay. So,
Thank you.
so you mean to say that we need to give frequencies and all stuff before the
Yes,
race actually?
That's a completely different thing. Like when it comes to frequencies, I think the way most of it is done is fix on a particular brand. Like if it's unify for everyone, sponsor it out.
Sponsor it out.
Yes,
guys,
not
the
for
LHS
everyone.
guys.
Not for everyone. Like make ground station with 4 RXs. Everyone comes in, plugs in their goggles,
Yeah, that's right.
flies.
Okay.
So no changing frequencies and stuff. So it just makes sense, right?
So he has a point over here. So guys, update to the IDRL. Now I suppose Ayan is going. Ayan, how are you feeling? Like you are going?
Feeling very tired. These guys are not managing nice, but we can't complain because the first India's race. So let it be. Let's rip balls.
All the best. And now going to Shabir. Shabir is going for his race too. And what do you wanna say now? Like it's the race, and now
Let's just have some fun.
okay. All the best.
Thank you.
We have Mateen. Even Mateen is going for the race, I suppose.
I feel like giving up right now. This is
Why so?
horrible.
Why
So
so?
not well organized by the college.
But
itself.
this is the first race, so like.
But still not well organized by the college brand. Like look at how they're making us sit and all. Like what is that? Show them inside with like people and everyone breathing on our necks and shit. Like just make us sit outside over here. I'll be happy.
Okay, so I suppose we should come for the January ka race.
That for sure. Let's see how it goes.
Okay.
Top 6 of this gets
All the
selected.
best.
Huh? Thanks,
Yeah.
bro.
Sucks big time.
Like
Bhavesh style, not like that. Bhavesh style.
You haven't powered on, no?
Like you have
Not
used
enough.
no
Tornadoes.
Watch your.
Bro,
Conflict होगा.
check. I'm just gonna ask him for check every time he does this now. Now, bus. Bye bye.
Hey guys, so race has been started and like 3 hits has been done, and we have here RC Mumbai and Get TBS. So we have Chintal over here. I will just switch it to him. Okay.
Hi
so
guys.
He will just tell us about himself and like how did he get into the hobby and how he is helping other hobbyists to like get up with the hobby. So Chintal, like tell us something about like how you're helping us out and like what products you have. Like you can give us a walkthrough of your products.
Well, people know that I am the best person to get lipo batteries and products at good prices, and we have like around 200 lipo batteries in India. I was the first person to get them, and I started off small from home and stuff, and now you can see like we have like around 2000 products.
Okay.
And it's the only online store in Mumbai for any RC products.
Okay, so we have Chintal from RC Mumbai, and these are the products that he has been showcased here. Like we can see airlines and some of the Fat Shark goggles, and there are many sprays actually, and this is the charger that we use normally to charge.
So we have some new batteries coming over, up to 6S for FPV racing. So it's going to be a fastest setup that you can ever fly, and they've not been available in India through any hobby stores as of yet.
Okay, and what about the tiny whoop that you're getting? Like when would we be able to buy that from your website?
As soon as possible. There are a lot of versions coming up with tiny whoop. People can fly at RTF, fly at BNF with FlySky, FRSky, or put their own receivers and fly it, and there are different frame sizes available.
Well, here we have Get TBS. The website is under development, and this is Nilesh Bhai. And Nilesh Bhai, you have been very famous for like the TBS stuff that we
all the Get TBS and whatever stuff you can find.
So just tell us about your store and how it's gonna be.
So it's like a real issue with the web developer. It's been taking like 1 more month for the online store. So right now we have all the stuff.
So these are the
CMX motors and all the stuff.
So these are the products that he has got here to show us. This is the TBS Tango, which he will be giving a demo of, and it's available at his store. You can contact him and get the stuff.
And you can
So guys, this is the TBS Tango, and
you need to just select the drone, edit the drone, and just type the clean flight, DJ NASA, Pixoc, Tau Labs, Blade, and just select it, and just all the channels automatically mapped. That's all.
Okay, so guys, you have seen that it's very easy to use this Tango, and it has a FPV embedded, and you can just connect the XJT module or any module in this and just go with it, like.
And it has a port for goggles. You can just power your goggles and have also the video built.
Hey guys, I am Satya from quadcopters.com. As you guys know, or you might not be knowing, quadcopters.com is an online RC web store which mainly focuses only for multi-rotors, drones as you know it. We have all the products, and we also have kits for the novices. We'll be getting better quality products very soon. Quadcopters.com promotes safe and responsible flying. We want everyone to be aware about this hobby. We don't want you to just fly it irresponsibly. Be responsible about it. Fly safely, be safe. We ensure the safety about the people around you, and just be responsible. Kahin pe bhi don't go anywhere and fly it. Take the permission up from the respective authority and do the flying. That's it. Be safe. Keep the hobby safe and the future of this hobby.
And your website and your
the website is quadcopters.com. Quadcopters is the key. You can find it on WhatsApp, Facebook, everywhere.
Bhavesh, what's your lap time?
131.
131, and you are second, first.
I don't know.
You don't know.
I really don't know.
Why?
There are faster people. No, where's the cord?
There's a cord, you know.
Take it. Let's just try to get the footage you want.
फ्रंट प्लांटर अरे अब ऑन करवाना यार 6:30 क्या है
इसका कोई डीवीआर कर रहा है क्या रॉय?
यहाँ पे कोई नहीं अबे you can't delay more. अरे देवेश land here please.
Well guys, this is Priyanshu Gupta, who has helped everyone over here, and he has been working hard from 2 days. Like, how did you feel? Like, how was the experience about idea?
Honestly, I'm just relieved it's over right now. It's been way too difficult to plan out all this, especially given it's the first time. No one knows I mean, I don't think anyone knows how to properly organize this except for the pro pilots, obviously. Seriously, big thanks to these guys, right? I mean, without them, this event wouldn't have been able to reach completion.
He's lying. He has done everything, like even from.
Honestly, oh, wait, is it still recording or no?
It is.
Yeah. Okay. Honestly, without these guys over here, this event wouldn't have been possible. They've helped out us in ways. I mean, we're not even. I've never flown a drone myself. I have no idea how it is to fly one. Devesh, please land, bro. Please, please, man. Please, Arya, please. Please, Arya, they can't delay over there.
14.6.
Arya, they can't delay to.
Go switch on the lights first.
That guy's talking to the guard. They're talking to the guard.
Okay, let me just complete this part.
They can't delay over there. ठीक है, अरे गार्ड को बोले थोड़ा चल रहा है.
Well, I'll just finish this part.
So guys, officially it's over. RL is over and we are heading to, I don't know where. I'm heading to the main department where this is gonna be like the prize distribution and all stuff.
Absolutely amazing for all of you, the way we have brought this up as a community. We have literally started this up from a WhatsApp group to actually holding a complete event. A lot of these things were done remotely, you know, the first event is always something that we have to learn a lot of things from, and we have just gone with the pace of things, and we achieved a lot of things today. You know, we achieved sort of a goodwill from all over India, pilots competing, showing off their best skills, and we had some awesome races happen. But in all fairness, we have decided the final winners of this event, and also will be striving to achieve perfection so that nobody feels any bit of unfairness.
I don't know. I've been like flying for like last 7 years, but I've never come up to such a level where I've actually competed with the best of the pilots across the country. And stating Pravesh and Devesh, I've learned a lot from these guys, and thank you. That's it. Thank you.
Going on. Yeah. I didn't know. Nice.
Hey guys, so that was the end of the video, and yes, that's it. That was the day 2 of the vlog and end of the season 1 Idea IRL. Well, we will have the season 2 soon, I suppose this month or the next in till the Jan or something like that. And yes guys, I have a blog that is fpvcrazy.net, and I will be posting a blog or a post, you may say, mentioning all the videos, flight videos and DVR footages of all the pilots and everything, and mentioning their YouTube channel link so that you can subscribe to their channel. Well, I am very sorry I couldn't shoot the beginners session, like the beginners event in this vlog. The day one, I reached half the day and I was like too tired after the travel. So for the next time I will surely try to cover everything up, and I hope you like the video. Thank you. Do like, share and subscribe.